Hey first grade, and welcome back for some guided practice. We're going to go ahead and do an activity that I like to call find the mystery number. So I'm going to give you a number, and remember we're going to use the arrow way and our tens and ones place value chart to find the final number. So here's your first thing. 10 more than 75 is. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and do our tens and ones chart. And we know the number is 75, so that means there are 7 tens, 5 ones. And then with the arrow, you're going to draw an arrow, and remember it says 10 more, so write plus 10 above the arrow, and then make your new tens and ones chart. So if I have 7 and I want to add on another 10, that becomes 8 tens, and then add in your ones, and there are 5. So the final number is 85. So for that first problem, your paper should look something like this. Okay, let's go ahead and do the next one. Problem 2 says 1 less than 88. So go ahead and draw your tens and ones chart. And the number was 88, so there are 8 tens and 8 ones. Remember to draw your arrow, minus a 1, and then your new tens and ones chart. We still have 8 tens, and now looking at the ones, there were 8 ones, and I'm taking away 1. So then that becomes 7. So the new number is 87. For problem 2, your paper should look something like this. Okay, let's go on to problem 3. It says 5 more than 70. So let's go ahead and make our tens and ones chart. And it says the number is 70, so there are 7 tens and 0 ones. Draw the arrow and mark your plus 5. And so your new tens and ones chart, we still have the 7 tens, but now instead of 0 ones, we have 5 ones. So then your new number becomes 75. And then since these answers and these problems are pretty easy and quick to find, we're going to do one more. Okay, your last clue. 10 less than 65. So go ahead and draw your tens and ones chart. And you have 6 tens and 5 ones. And we are taking away 10. So the arrow minus 10. And then your new tens and ones chart. So the ones were not affected. So there's still 5 ones. And now if you look at the 10, you had 6 and now you're taking a set away. So now it becomes 5. So your new number is now 55. Should look something like this. All right, guys, I hope you found this helpful, and I can't wait to see you next week on Monday.